there is some fresh evidence that weighs rather badly on Johnny Depp after he won the defamation case against Amber Heard. A media outlet, The Daily Beast, has done an investigation on the undisclosed court documents that reveal some alleged details that reflect the Pirates of the Caribbean superstar and his legal team in a rather poor light. Hello everyone, and welcome to another video. Today we'll be looking at Amber Heard getting in trouble and shocking new twists. Yeah, you heard it right. The team Amber Heard had argued that the digital, pictorial, and audio evidence submitted by Johnny Depp seemed modified. The metadata of some of the indicated discrepancy in dates, which is quite crucial in the case. It seems the recordings produced were altered, and this tampered version was allegedly presented as evidence. This is highly concerning given the final outcome of the trial. Here's a thread of the whole matter as shared by a netizen. Amber Heard's team had claimed that the photos produced by Depp showing injury marks did not happen when the two were in a relationship. It seems that the dates did not match, and it kinda looked like fabricated evidence. The dates are just not matching at places as per Amber Heard's legal team. This has been reported by Marca. It seems like Amber Heard's team has hired Julian Ackert, who is a forensic expert in the field of digital evidence. He has said that the date metadata of the evidence is very questionable. It also says that the court granted Johnny Depp the opportunity to not present any evidence relating to Marilyn Manson. As we know, Marilyn Manson is quite a legal scrutiny for abuse cases. Evan Rachel Wood has accused him of battery and prolonged abuse. This is not all. The documents also hint that Johnny Depp might be suffering from erectile dysfunction. Johnny Depp's courtroom victory over ex-wife Amber Heard is being viewed by legal experts not just through the twists and turns of the courtroom drama, but also for wider implications that the jury's verdict will have in the larger world. Several experts deem the verdict in the dueling defamation cases, in which Depp was the winner, a step back for the #MeToo movement, and said it highlighted a distrust and dislike of Heard. Some feared that it could set back the cause of women who complain about abuse by powerful men. After a 6-week trial, the jury found that Heard had defamed her former husband in a Washington Post opinion piece and acted with malice by casting him as a domestic abuser. The damage, Depp said, cost him millions of dollars and starring roles after decades as an A-list actor. Jurors awarded him $10 million in compensatory damages and $5 million in punitive damages, which were immediately reduced by the judge to Virginia's statutory cap of $350,000. Heard, for her part, got a $2 million verdict for defamation after one of Depp's lawyers accused her of creating a hoax that included staging a scene by trashing an apartment and spilling wine to make the Pirates of the Caribbean actor look guilty of violence. Legal experts, including Greg Smith, a prominent Los Angeles and Texas civil attorney who has racked up tens of millions of dollars in civil verdicts, said that Depp was found at fault for defamation because the trial presented no real evidence to defend the hoax allegation. From a #MeToo standpoint, it's bad and dangerous, said UC Irvine law professor Susan Seeger, a First Amendment legal expert who spent decades representing media organizations. I just think it sends a bad signal to men and women, or whoever the abuser is, that, you can just sue your victim and ruin them by bringing them to court for a defamation case, Seeger said. It sends a signal that if you have the money to hire a lawyer or even hire a defamation lawyer on contingency, they can get a cut of your win. You can succeed against an accuser. Veteran lawyer Laura Yeretsian, who is part of a convicted murderer Scott Peterson's legal team, said celebrity trials are about the personalities of the participants as much as the lawyers. Yeretsian called Heard a terrible witness, adding that when a witness starts embellishing a story, exaggerates, and overdramatizes, that witness loses credibility. She said the case also sent a warning to accusers. The jury sent a clear message with this verdict. Do not make false accusations of domestic violence. If you do, there is a steep price to pay. David Ring, a Southern California civil attorney who represents numerous sexual abuse accusers, including those making allegations against Harvey Weinstein, said the case is tough for victims' advocates to get behind. I don't know if you can equate it to a #MeToo case. Obviously, Johnny has a lot of star power, and these are two celebrities airing their dirty laundry, Ring said. In the end, Wednesday's decision, which played out in a courtroom in Virginia, may be overturned or appealed. So that's all from today's video. If you enjoyed it, remember to leave a like, subscribe, and ring that bell icon so that you never miss our upcoming videos. And don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Stay tuned, and we'll catch you in the next video.